Can you really get all your money back from Stashaway? It's a question that pops into the mind of every investor, especially when life throws a curveball and you need access to your funds. We invest hoping for growth, but deep down, there's always that tiny voice asking, what if I need to withdraw it all? Stashaway, for those unfamiliar, is a popular robo-advisor managing your investments automatically based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They invest in diversified portfolios of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, across various asset classes. The appeal is clear: hands-off investing, intelligent rebalancing, and relatively low fees compared to traditional financial advisors. But the core of our question today revolves around liquidity and the reality of retrieving your capital. Let's cut to the chase. Yes, you can withdraw all your money from Stashaway. It's your money, after all. There are no lock-in periods or penalties imposed by Stashaway themselves for withdrawing your full balance. This is a crucial distinction from some other investment products like fixed deposits with maturity dates or certain insurance policies that penalize early withdrawals. Stashaway aims for flexibility, understanding that financial circumstances can change. However, getting all your money back isn't always as simple as receiving the exact numerical value you initially deposited. There are a few key factors that influence the final amount you receive. Firstly, market fluctuations. Your investments are held in ETFs, and the value of these ETFs changes daily based on market performance. If you invested $10,000 and the market has experienced a downturn, the value of your portfolio might be $9,500 when you decide to withdraw. In this scenario, while you're getting all of what your investment is currently worth, it might be less than your initial capital. Conversely, if the market has performed well, you could get back more than you put in. Stashaway doesn't guarantee returns, nor do they guarantee the preservation of capital. Like all investments, there's inherent market risk. Secondly, fees. While Stashaway's fees are relatively low, ranging from 0.2% to 0.8% per annum, depending on your investment amount, these are charged periodically. If you withdraw, any accrued but unpaid fees will be deducted from your final payout. These are usually minimal but are worth noting. Thirdly, the withdrawal process itself. When you initiate a withdrawal, Stashaway sells your ETFs. This process takes a few business days to settle, and then the funds are transferred to your linked bank account. This isn't an instantaneous process like an ATM withdrawal. Typically, it can take anywhere from 3 to 7 business days for the funds to reflect in your bank account, sometimes longer depending on bank processing times and public holidays. During this period, your money is in transit, but it is certainly on its way back to you. Finally, consider the currency. If you invested in a different currency than your local bank account, e.g., invested in USD via Stashaway Simple and withdraw to a SGD account, there will be currency conversion rates applied, which can slightly impact the final amount received due to spreads. So, while you absolutely can get all your money back from Stashaway, the exact dollar amount returned will reflect the market performance of your investments since you deposited them, minus any accrued fees, and subject to the normal processing times and potential currency conversions. It's not a savings account with a guaranteed principal, but a dynamic investment platform where your capital is subject to market forces. The key takeaway is that your funds are accessible and not locked away. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.